gotta open this big box. And look, let's see what is going on, but I know it's a scooter there. And now let's open it. Let's do some magic to put my scooter all together. This is my pink scooter. I'm so excited.
Where did you get this scooter from, Elizabeth?
From my uncle.
And do you know how to work it?
Yeah.
You do? Show me. Show me how it works.
When you press this button,
Yeah.
Then you need to ride it a little bit
Okay.
slow, and it can drive by himself.
Really? Now how do you stop it?
Like press this button.
Okay.
This is what this. If you press like this, so it can go faster.
Does it go very fast?
I don't know, because I need to try it.
We have
outside.
to try it. We have to try it outside, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can 2 people fit on there or no?
No.
And here comes your sister. She wants to go on it.
No, you're too little.
You're too little, Nicole. Ah, so you have to put 1 foot on and then you go.
Yeah, we gotta make sure which one is the best.
Now, what are you going to do with these? You have to wear one of these helmets when you're riding your bike, when you're riding your scooter.
I will put this one.
Okay.
That way.
You put that helmet on in case you ever fall and you hit your head. That will protect you, correct?
Yeah.
Right. Can you get it?
Yeah.
Good girl. Now show me how you're going to ride on your scooter.
Like this.
Do you put both feet on?
And
No. How many feet do you put on? 1 foot. Okay.
Let's go, guys, to ride it outside. We are here, and this is my scooter over here, and we need to press the button and take this off. Let's do it. Let's press the button.
Atta girl. Good girl.
Let's go. Put thumbs up, 10 thumbs up for the video. Bye.